Sepas, the delicious Armenian yogurt soup. We all may know some delicious recipes from a few specific countries, but there are so many other countries with culinary gems unknown to the world. Armenian yogurt soup is one of them. This soup with fresh herbs and wheat berries or barley is an ideal meal at your spring and summer table. With a few ingredients you can have a healthy full meal. For sepas you need fresh herbs like mint and cilantro. But as a herb lover, I use even parsley, dill and chives. We also need lime or lime juice, 30 grams of butter, 1 medium-sized egg, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 liter water, 1 heaping tablespoon all-purpose flour, 70 grams wheat berries or barley, 70 grams sour cream, 200 grams yogurt, chives or spring onion. The chives I have here are wild and I picked them myself. They are much more aromatic and tender, so if you live somewhere close to nature, don't miss them in spring. First add the wheat berries to the water and bring them to a boil, and then leave it on medium heat. Meanwhile, mix the sour cream, yogurt, egg, and all-purpose flour together in a pot. You see the wheat berries are still cooking slowly on medium heat. Now it's the time to clean and chop the herbs. When you clean the cilantro, you can leave the thin stems and just remove the thick ones. But for parsley and dill, you need to keep just the leaves, no stem. To chop them, I use a knife. Chefs don't need much kitchen gadgets, because they use professional chef's knife, which takes some skills to use, but you can use a food processor if you want. The downside of using a food processor to chop herbs is it chops your herbs aggressively and drags the juice out, while with a sharp knife the herbs are chopped without losing their freshness. When you chop with the knife, place your supporting hand flat on the top of the knife to avoid cutting yourself. I mix the chief and put the herbs aside for the serving time. Look how fresh and green they are. Let's check the wheat berries now. Like you see, they get big and soft. That means they are ready. Now I add the wheat and its cooking water to the pot that contains other ingredients and mix it. The wheat starch and the flour give thickness to the soup. After mixing it well, place the pot on medium heat and add the butter and then let the soup simmer while you keep whisking smoothly. After a few minutes, remove it from the heat for serving. Add a handful of herbs in the serving bowl and pour the soup on it. Squeeze some drops of lime and your soup is ready. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.